So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba natin enable ang ating verification selfie sa Facebook. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung Facebook app na gagamitin natin kasi ito is bagong features or bagong security features ni Facebook. So, open na natin ang ating Facebook after nyong ma-update. And then, pag-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang newsfeed, itap lang natin yung 3 horizontal lines na nandito sa upper left corner or yung menu ng ating Facebook. And then, dito guys, sa menu, piliin nyo lang or itap yung settings and privacy. And then, tap ulit natin yung settings. So, para mapunta tayo dito sa pinakang settings ng ating Facebook. And then dito guys, piliin nyo naman yung inyong your account or yung account center. So, ito yung pipiliin natin. And then next naman dito, piliin natin yung password and security. So, ayan guys, kung updated ng inyong Facebook, may makikita kayo dyan na verification selfie. So, makakatulong tong verification selfie once na gusto nating i-recover or maibalik yung dati nating Facebook account, mabe-verify yan through sa selfie ninyo. Kahit nawala yung inyong phone number or email, mabe-verify pa rin yan gamit ang inyong selfie. So, kaya nga mas okay kung i-enable natin ng verification selfie sa ating Facebook. So, tap natin guys yung verification selfie. And then, piliin natin yung profile natin sa Facebook. So, ayan, save a verification selfie for profile recovery. So, ito nga yung purpose ng ating verification selfie para sa pag-recover ng ating profile. So, nakalagay dito is, your video selfie will only be used to confirm your identity for any safety, security, or authenticity purposes. So, yung video selfie nyo naman daw is magagamit lang para ma-confirm yung identity nyo dito sa ating Facebook. So, hindi din naman siya mabivisible sa ating profile. And pwede nyo ding i-delete or i-update yung inyong selfie whenever you want. So, tap na natin guys yung next. And ayan guys, for security purposes, may magsasend na code sa ating registered email sa ating Facebook. Check nyo yung email guys, and yun yung ilalagay natin dito na code. So, after nyo malagay guys yung code, tap na natin yung continue. And ayan guys, magte-take na tayo ng selfie. So, ito yung tips para sa magandang selfie natin. Kailangan use a well-lit area. So, kailangan daw guys, yung background ng area natin is malinaw, kumbaga, hindi iba-iba yung color. So, dapat isang kulay ng background lang yung pipiliin natin. So, kailangan din is yung cellphone natin daw is naka-eye level sa paghahawak natin and follow natin yung instruction while nagte-take tayo ng video selfie. So, tato natin guys yung start selfie. And ayan guys, i-position nyo lang yung face ninyo dito sa pinakang oval. And sundin nyo lang instruction, turn to left. I-turn nyo lang yung head nyo sa left and then tilt your head up. So, i-tilt nyo daw yung head nyo pataas. And, papunta naman sa left, i-turn nyo ulit yung head nyo. And, sa right naman, turn nyo yung head nyo. Turn to left. And ayan. Perfect. Nakapag-upload na tayo ng video selfie. So, ayan. Verification selfie saves. You can now update or delete this selfie anytime in password and security setting in the account center. So, dito nyo din siya pwedeng baguhin guys yung selfie ninyo sa password and security. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba enable ang verification selfie sa ating Facebook. If you have a question, click comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.